It's okay, Brock. You can come out. Come here, Brock. It's okay. It's okay. You got it. It's okay. You got it.
Who's a good boy? Who's a
Come
good
on.
boy, Brock?
Come here, Brock. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah. That's a good Brock.
My hair's not as curly.
Oh.
It's Brock o'clock. Welcome to the news. Hello, I'm Brock Anderson, and welcome to Nature Science News, featuring me, Brock Anderson. Now let's get into the news. Kid at school reveals he has coronavirus. Asks students to sign his lungs as if they were a cast. Local child is hit in the head with a crock pot. Researchers say, what the hell? New dinosaur discovered in a graveyard. However, some are skeptical, claiming that it is just half of a human skeleton. Researchers attempting to determine if the ocean can react to greetings discover that it can only wave. Turns out, tapeworms are not sticky on either side. Scientists grow concerned as the rate of death by receipt paper poisoning is spiking in America. You gotta stay healthy. Greetings all the way, baby. Newscaster has passionate sex with a pro wrestler on a large pile of stones with a cup of alcohol on ice. In other words, Brock rocks the rock on rocks on the rocks. Shaquille O'Neal brutally murdered by environmentalists, a little confused by the meaning of a large carbon footprint. Man bites spider. Spider loses all motivation and sits on the couch eating chips all day. Breaking news. A University of Colorado student has learned how to defy gravity. I think I can learn his tricks. Give me a minute. $10 million fireflies light up the world as a man is asleep. Reporters say that he could just not believe his eyes. I would like to formally condemn the CDC for not letting me eat and inside of the Burger King off of Arapahoe. Very disappointing. Breaking news. I've never told the truth. Local 77-year-old gives up and donates himself to science. Africa. After extensive research on the Milky Way, scientists are stumped as to why we are not covered in caramel. A local hero, Ben with Wildlife, has returned from the dead, and he's here in the studio waiting for an interview. So we're gonna make him wait. Now introducing Ben with Wildlife.
Thank you, sir.
Good to have you on, sir. Good to have you on.
Great to be here.
They're really good, aren't they?
They are very good.
Minty, right?
Very minty. Thank you.
I have one left.
Is it the last one?
Yeah. How do they taste?
Very minty.
So, would you say most trees are edible?
I would say that, yes.
Because I believe that nature is edible all around. Doesn't matter.
Well, see, here's the thing. Everything's edible. It's just most stuff is poisonous.
Exactly.
Like
tree leaves?
yeah.
So, how's the wildlife?
Oh, I actually don't have a wife.
That's wild. Alright, so now if any of our viewers have seen the show Ben with Wildlife, they would know that sadly many of your cameramen have died, right?
That's very true.
So, how many cameramen have you killed in your show throughout the years?
Killed? Me, personally, none. Dead by something that I did indirectly.
You done?
I'm gonna go with 4.
You only have 5 on your hand. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep.
So how many lawsuits do you have from that right now?
None, actually.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Did they have to sign a contract?
they did.
You always gotta read the bylaws.
It's very true.
Can I have gum?
You want a gum?
Can I have gum?
Sure thing.
So where does gum originate?
I don't know.
Alright. Okay, so can you tell me if this, urethral fungus will kill me?
Yes.
Am I safe? Alright. So we know you know a lot about wildlife, so we would like to learn more about you as a person.
Okay.
alright?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I was originally born in a volcano
Where?
around Mount St. Helens.
Like where exactly?
Yeah.
Alright. Was it hot?
I don't remember.
Mr. Wildlife, can you please give us a wildlife tip?
Sure. What do you want to know about?
Let's go with the desert. Sir? He'll be back. Yeah, he'll be back. Welcome back. Alright, since you're the expert, alright, this is important. Is Skeleton alive?
Skeleton?
Skeleton, my assistant. Associate.
Um,
Sir. Man. Skeleton.
On initial inspection, no.
Are you sure?
I mean, I can look closer.
Yeah, can you? Alright, so what do you think?
He's not alive.
Alright. Final question of the night. Alright?
Yeah, sure thing.
Do you want to sleep over?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Please?
Why?
I need friends.
Don't you have friends?
It's just him.
Actually, he's alive.
He's alive?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it, folks. We'll see you next time on Brock Anderson News Time.